Streeterville is home to way more iconic residential towers than you may think. It's not so touristy after all. Let me show you. Today we're touring Optima Signature in the heart of Streeterville, made up of 52 stories and 490 apartments with all the bells and whistles. This prime location is directly attached to Whole Foods, moments to the Riverwalk, Meg Mile, and Navy Pier. We're at Club 52 on top of the world here at Optima Signature. The Sky Lounge is a common area space for all the residents on the apex levels and up. You also have a couple penthouses up here that share this floor as well. You have a wraparound rooftop terrace featuring 4 gas grills and fireplaces to soak in the sunrise and the sunset views and all of the city. You should see what this looks like during the 4th of July. You can literally see every city's fireworks from up here. Today, I'm showing you a rather spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath corner unit, over 1,600 square feet with floor-to-ceiling windows throughout and water views in every bedroom. This kitchen offers an abundance of storage with this built-in pantry, as well as these extra large drawers with built-in organizers and your very own wine fridge. The kitchen storage continues to this little nook, perfect for a dry bar or a little dog storage area. You can put all your dog treats, leashes, toys, all that good stuff. The primary bedroom comfortably fits a king-size bed or a California king, or a custom king for that matter, plus room for a seating area and these killer skyline views that remind you every day that you're living in Chicago. This Jack and Jill bathroom with 2 entrances offers a great flow in this 3-bed, 2-bath corner unit. This home offers true full-size front-loading laundry with additional storage. Plus a huge storage closet upon entering the unit. Drive right in. There's 3 bedrooms on each corner of Optima Signature. This one is arguably the best views in the city. The southwest corner is the brightest with all of the afternoon sun, all of the sunsets, and all of the best architecture Chicago has to show you. This hybrid 1-bedroom is over 700 square feet with plenty of room for dining room and another desk space. Take a look at this kitchen, tons of storage and plenty of counter space to prep and to host. The hybrid floor plans just offer so much more sunlight in this unit and a better open flow. I personally would put a little desk right here to give that nice separation between the bedroom and the living room space. This hybrid floor plan at Optima provides plenty of room for a queen size or a king size bed. I love the built-in storage cubbies and this great expansive walk-through closet. Come right on through to your attached bathroom. Again, Jack and Jill style, so your guests can easily access it, or it can be en suite for yourself for convenience. There's a variety of different bathroom styles here at Optima, offering some with standing showers and glass doors, as well as bathtubs for soaking. Perfectly pocketed on the peaceful and private upper level of Illinois, this is also a great location if you happen to be attending Chicago Booth and will need to frequent the Gleacher Center. You will pass famous NBC Tower on your way to your own private Riverwalk access with the most unique angles of Chicago architecture. Continue to roam the Riverwalk or join one of the many different Chicago boat tours that usually board up here. I am just astounded by Tribune Tower and its stunning neo-Gothic architecture that is currently transforming into the most unique luxury residences in Chicago. Before you know it, you're back to Meg Mile. That's always decked out for every season. I think everyone's obsessed with all the spring tulips lining the stretch. This path of the Riverwalk is the perfect calming commute to any office in the Loop, Merchandise Mart, or River North, or for just a breath of fresh air with your pup. And I promise the architecture will never ever disappoint. I don't know about you, but I just still can never get enough, even after over 5 years of living here. Having Whole Foods connected to your building, it does not get more convenient than that. Ogden Plaza is another little pop-up park to continue to add life and freshness to what some consider the concrete jungle of Streeterville. If you just look a little closer, slow down a bit, you will find these serene moments. Okay, back to the apartment homes. We're on the 12th floor in the Tower Residences in a rather standard 2-bedroom corner unit. Take a look at this kitchen. I mean, it's nearly the size of the 3-bedroom here with nearly the same finishes. You do have the built-in wine fridge here as well. Every other floor offers the lighter cabinetries and lighter flooring. And again, an expansive floor plan with great flow. Even room for a dining room table with plenty of room to walk around and get creative with the space. These bedrooms are nice and oversized with space for a desk and a dresser at the very least. Take a look at this open concept living room kitchen in this true convertible that's almost 600 square feet with the same size kitchen as some of their one bedrooms here. Look at all of this counter space. You have full size appliances in this convertible with this beautiful luxurious gas range hood. All of the overhead lighting throughout, plus floor-to-ceiling windows, this space is so bright, even facing north. I love the flow of this convertible floor plan, wasting no space and offering room for a desk, as well as your queen-size abode. There's 2 entrances to the bedroom in this convertible, plus this great wall of built-in closets that make for a very efficient use of this hallway. The entire 20th floor is extra living room space for all the residents, with nooks for studying and working, or small private gatherings in the dining room, with games galore and several grills and fire pits stretching the wraparound terrace. Talk about value. This property literally has everything. Full basketball court, bocce and squash court, golf simulator, putting green, a children's indoor and outdoor play area, and there's even a large indoor and outdoor dog run area. Optima Signature is definitely voted in the top 3 best gyms in an apartment building. Just look around. Follow us to a little surprise that many don't know about. There are 2 Hampton socials where people love to enjoy seafood bites and rosé all day and pretend like they're on the coast on a sunny summer day featuring live music most days of the week. You have to try the lobster roll. You can get it East Coast or West Coast style, hot or cold. You choose. The oysters are also great, the octopus. Seriously, everything on this menu is amazing. Here you can find cafes and coffee shops, and restaurants on every block. There's plenty to do in Streeterville as a resident of the neighborhood. Stay tuned for part 2, the summer edition, where we show you all 4 floors of the outdoor amenity space here at Optima Signature, including 2 pools, 3 hot tubs, outdoor saunas, plus an exclusive look at one of their rare penthouse units. Keep following Live Shy TV. I have a team full of agents ready to help you and all of your friends. Go to liveshy.tv to find our contact information, and we're ready to help you.